Good afternoon, everybody. This is James Romelli from Alpha Shark Trading, and I want to talk a little bit about managing expiration and why it's so important from a risk management standpoint to be well aware of what happens to your positions on expiration. Now, here we have a chart of Helmerich and Payne, which is a stock that I had a position on going into expiration today. Now, I had a complex spread on, but what's important is that I was short the 55 puts as part of this spread. So that means that anywhere below 55, even by just 1 penny, I was going to be assigned on these puts. The minimum exercise threshold is 1 penny. So anytime an option is 1 penny in the money, it will be exercised. If you are short that option, you will be assigned. So what happens in this case if I am assigned on the short 55 puts that I have? And what's really important to note here is that the stock was not below 55 all day. So the stock right around noon was trading above 55, and a trader could have looked at that and said, hey, we're above 55 at the close today. I'm going to go ahead and see my position roll off, and I'm not going to have anything to worry about in terms of assignment. But the market didn't stay up there, and it sold off, putting these puts in the money. So when you have options that are close to the money and near expiration, you have to be in front of the screen. Friday, unfortunately, as much as we would like it, is not a day that I can leave half an hour early to go to the golf course or to go to happy hour or to do whatever else it is I might want to do rather than sitting in front of a screen and staring at a stock. But unfortunately, if I have an expiration situation like this, I have to be there, and I have to make sure that I manage it correctly. So in this particular instance, what did I do? I bought back these puts that I was short before expiration. So now, when expiration happens and settlement occurs, I don't have any more short puts, and I will not be assigned any long stock. The whole point of trading options is to get a better reward to risk setup than when I trade stock. So the last thing that I want at the end of the life of one of my trades is for it to turn into a stock position that I have to hold over the weekend. It is one of the key components of risk management, and that's managing positions on expiration. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to shoot me an email, james@alphashark.com. Everyone have a fantastic rest of your day, and as always, happy trading.